Hey, what's up, folks? Welcome to Kirk Trades. Like, sub, comment, and share this video. Alright, so first things first, before you're about to short a stock, you have to scroll down your stocks. There was actually about three gapping stocks that were on the top of the list, and that is very normal. Very normal to find gapping stocks at the top of your highest percentage movers on your stock trading list. All right, so Drip is actually number one now. With Drip, the stock has made a huge move upward. Okay, so that's an indicator that of some type of pullback. All right, so right here is where investors buy. So investors that buy right here. And then you have the people that are looking to take some type of profit. However far that people that have bought the stock are looking to take some type of profit, and this takes place right here, this down move. So as you can tell, the stock is very high, so it's very possible there may be a reversal, and you have a reversal here, and you have some type of reversal here, and here's another reversal. So it's very possible that just because the stock is up, that you can short the stock and make some type of profit from that. So this would have been a little difficult to trade. Okay, so we have a breakdown of the 20. We can't long it because now you're taking more risk. So the stock could always hit the 50 and come back up. In this case, the stock broke down below the 50. We have a breakdown, which is a great indicator. This right here can break down. It can definitely continue to do that. In this case, we have a test and then breakout. Okay, so if you trade it here, I mean, it's just point blank trade at or near moving averages. Here's your H pattern right here. If you trade it here and then got out as it started to move above, you obviously would have wanted to wait because you don't know really what could happen. She could continually hit the 50, but that's also an indicator of a move to the upside. But this is a very bullish play. Green, red, and then big green breakout bar. This is a very bullish pattern right here, but you need to trade at or near moving averages. So your loss would have been very low if you trade it right here. And then even on this breakdown right here, so we have a breakdown below the 20. So here's a 20, and then you just have a complete breakdown. So that's a big indicator to short. Now, if you were thinking that this stock could continue down, you would just wait for the same play. Okay, here's the top. Here's this bar right here that's completely below this bar, indicating down. So if you were to enter right there, you would have got this green bar, some type of test. So we had some buyers right here looking to hit that 50 and then come back up. In this case, the stock, you would have got out with anything above here, and then a close, just some type of close. So look, here's that same pattern, except on the reverse. Green, a little bit of red, and then breakout. In this case, you have red, this green bar, and breakdown. So it's very similar to each other. So this indicated up, this one indicated down. Now if you traded right there, held tight, okay, held on to it, and just waited for some type of close or a double green bar, which is also a very big indicator to get out, you would have gotten a $1,220 trade. You'll have the opportunity to get out above the 20 because there's respect to the 20. You traded right there at the 20, and you wouldn't be biting your nails. It was with this situation right here. You would just see that, oh, the 20 was tested, and then she came back down. Or there's respect to the 20, came back down. Respect to the 20, came back down. Respect, respect. And then you have your first time breakout right here, and then up. This is an indication of the market going up. Now, if you wanted to test the 50, which is a longer time frame, you can do that as well, but it doesn't always end up like that. Now you risk losing whatever amount right here if the stock were to break above the 50. In this case, let's say you tested that 50, you would have ended up with, dang, the stock is still going down. So if you were in this trade, that would have been $2,200. All right, well, hopefully that helped you guys. So that goes to show, and then you have a double top, that here's where you need to enter. Just some type of confirmation, break of a top, and then break down. So the 20 would be a definite great spot to short a stock. But then you got to be aware for the move upward. And then same situation, here is the 20, breakdown, and a move downward, and continued breakdown. And then the first move to even get close to the 50 happened right there. And then you had a big move to get close to the 50, which happened right here. All right, well, hopefully you guys learned something today. Like, sub, comment, and share. Have a great day.